Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you've got a Bose Bass Module 500 and want to connect it to your soundbar, you might expect it to pair instantly, but sometimes it's not that straightforward. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconnecting it after a reset, the process can feel a bit confusing if you don't know where the pairing options are. The Bass Module is designed to work wirelessly with compatible Bose soundbars, but it still needs to be properly linked through the system settings. The good thing is that once you follow the right steps, the connection is quick, and you'll instantly notice a deeper, more powerful sound experience. Try these. Step 1. Plug in and power on your Bose Bass Module 500. Step 2. Turn on your Bose soundbar and make sure it's set up. Step 3. Open the Bose Music app on your phone. Step 4. Select your soundbar and go to Settings, then Accessories. Step 5. Tap Add Bass Module and follow the pairing instructions. Step 6. Wait for confirmation and test audio for proper connection.